we got some mail. Two Hacks Garage sent us some gifts. He knows I like the Holochrome stickers, and boy, do I like the Holochrome stickers. Those are super cool. So we got this one. 521's the size of the engine he has in his Thunderbird. You guys should go check that car out if you get the chance. It's a very cool channel and a really cool car. Here's another logo he had made up. Two Hacks Garage. Another Two Hacks Garage logo. These look familiar? Yes. Here's another one. Two Hacks Garage. This one's not Holochrome. This is just a regular sticker, but it's cool. This is the way my stickers came out, actually, with the matte finish. And then there's a card. Two Hacks Garage. Very cool. So, guys, go ahead and scan that. I'll stick it on the screen for a second. And, yeah, go check out Two Hacks Garage. It's a really cool channel. They're building some really neat stuff. And that T-Bird is badass, and they're constantly building new stuff. They're doing a bunch of LS stuff, and I think they got some small block Chevy stuff coming up. But they kind of do a lot of different things. So go check those guys out. They're really cool, super nice guys. That's Jeff and Micah over at Two Hacks Garage. And thanks for the stickers, guys. I really appreciate it.